guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today I'm doing an Ipsy unboxing, and today is going to be an unboxing for the month of May, and it's Flower Power month, so here's this amazing look for it as well. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got along with this mini tutorial on this amazing look. Now stay tuned and I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video. Just a little reminder, everything that I have used or have shown on the video is going to be linked in the description box. Now let's go ahead and continue. guys, so this completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial and mini unboxing. Remember to show some love in the comments, subscribe, like, and share. You guys are welcome to follow me on Instagram where you guys can see some more results on this look. And with that said, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye!